Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use flower waste. Don't let your beautiful blooms go to waste once they've faded. There are many creative and eco-friendly ways to repurpose them, benefiting both your home and the environment. From enriching your garden soil to crafting delightful home decor, reusing flower waste is a simple step towards a more sustainable lifestyle. Let's explore some practical methods to give your flowers a second life. Composting is one of the most effective ways to reuse flower waste, turning it into a valuable resource for your garden. Flowers are rich in nitrogen, making them an excellent green component for your compost pile. Remember to remove any non-compostable items like ribbons or floral foam. Chop the flowers into smaller pieces, about 2 to 4 inches long, and mix them with brown materials such as dried leaves or shredded paper for optimal decomposition. This creates a nutrient-rich soil amendment. Transform your faded flowers into beautiful, fragrant potpourri to naturally freshen your home. Simply dry the petals by air drying them or using a low oven setting until they are crispy. Once dry, mix them with your favorite spices, such as cinnamon sticks or dried citrus peels, and add a few drops of essential oil for a lasting scent. You can also press flowers to create stunning artwork or incorporate them into handmade paper for a personal touch. Beyond composting and potpourri, flower waste can be used to create beautiful natural dyes. Flowers such as hibiscus, roses, or marigolds contain pigments that can be extracted by simmering the petals in water. These eco-friendly dyes can color fabrics, paper, or even homemade candles, offering a unique, sustainable crafting option. You can also make flower-infused skincare products or even natural insect repellents. For more great deals and the link to those amazing socks, check the description below this video.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.